Thank you for joining Wars of the Rosies as we continue with part 21, Another Privateersman, from Book the Second, The Practice of the Mystic Tie by Albert G. Mackey. Part 21, Another Privateersman. The following account of an occurrence which took place in the year 1813 during the French and English War, and which was related by Brother Bushell, Deputy Provincial Orand Master for Bristol, on the occasion of an installation in that city, may serve as an appropriate sequel to the narrative contained in the preceding article. It happened, says Brother Bushell, that an English vessel in sailing from the Mediterranean to Bristol was seized by a French privateer. The captains of both vessels were Masons. The result was most satisfactory. The captain of the privateer released the vessel, the cargo of which was valued at £8,000, and bade his brother go his way, and reach, if he could, his native shore in safety. That brother arrived safely at Bristol, and, at the first opportunity, he repaired to the Grand Lodge, and there, in the presence of the brethren assembled, he stated these facts, and moreover, he produced a written agreement into which he had entered with the captain of the privateer, and these were the conditions. He gave up the vessel and cargo on condition that the master of the prize, on his return to Bristol, should endeavor to communicate with the Grand Lodge of England and obtain the release of 3 Frenchmen. The Grand Lodge took a course suggesting to them by His late Royal Highness, the Duke of Sussex. The Frenchmen were discovered, and they, with 2 others, left the British shores free men. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment. And if you can, please consider donating to Wars of the Rosies. Links to PayPal and Patreon are in the description. Thank you so very much.